Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start an Outlook on the web because Teams pulls the time zone from your Microsoft 365 account. Changing system time alone may not stick. Sign into Outlook. Office. Com with the exact account you use for Teams. Once signed in, click the gear icon, then choose View All Outlook Settings and open General Right Arrow Language and Time. Make sure you can see the current time zone field. This is the control that Teams reads, so you're already in the right place to change it. Now, select the correct time zone from the drop-down menu. Pick the city or offset that matches your location. Once done, review the date and time format so chat and calendar entries show how you expect them to. Click Save. This writes the preference to your Microsoft 365 profile. Make sure to sign out and sign back into Teams, or simply restart the app, because the client fetches the updated profile after a short sync. Allow a few minutes for servers to propagate. Finish by restarting Teams on desktop or refreshing the web client so it pulls the updated Microsoft 365 profile. If timestamps still look wrong, make sure you change the time zone for the exact account signed into Teams. Multiple accounts often cause mismatches. If the problem persists, clear the Teams cache or sign out everywhere and back in. As a final troubleshooting tip, if replication delays occur, ask your IT admin to check tenant-level settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.